Imagine being 5 years old, broke, living off a tiny social security check of just $105 a month. Your life's work, your restaurant, has just failed. Everything you built is gone. Most people would retire. They'd give up, accept defeat. But what if, instead, you got in your car and drove across America, sleeping in the back seat, again rejected over and over again 1,009 times before someone finally said yes? This is the incredible true story of a man who started his billion-dollar empire at age 65, when most people are ending their careers. This is the story of Colonel Harlan Sanders. His childhood was marked by hardship from the very beginning. When he was just 5, his father died suddenly, forcing his mother to work multiple jobs. Young Harlan was left to care for his younger siblings, and at age 5, he learned to cook. It wasn't a hobby, it was survival. By age 13, after years of struggle and abuse from a stepfather, he left home for good, a child alone in the world. For the next 40 years, Harlan Sanders drifted through dozens of jobs, failing at almost all of them. He was a farmhand, a streetcar conductor, a soldier, a railroad fireman, a lawyer who got into a brawl with his own client, an insurance salesman, a tire salesman. He tried and failed over and over again. His personal life wasn't much better. His wife left him, taking their children. He was devastated and alone. By his 40s, Harlan was running a small service station in Corbin, Kentucky. He noticed travelers were often hungry, so he started cooking meals in a small back room. People loved his food, especially his fried chicken. He spent years perfecting a secret blend of 11 herbs and spices and pioneered using a pressure cooker to make chicken that was crispy, juicy, and fast. His little service station became famous for the food, not the gas. By 1935, the governor of Kentucky made him an honorary colonel for his contributions to the state's cuisine. For the first time, at almost 50 years old, he was successful. But then, disaster struck. New interstate highway was built, bypassing his town and his restaurant. His business dried up. At age 65, Harlan Sanders was broke. All he had was a $105 Social Security check and his secret chicken recipe. Most people would have quit. But not the Colonel. He made a decision. If restaurants wouldn't come to him, he would go to them. Loaded his car with his pressure cooker and his spice blend and started driving. His deal was simple: let me cook my chicken for your customers. If they like it, you pay me 5 cents for every piece you sell. He wore his iconic white suit, looking like a distinguished Southern gentleman, but inside, he was desperate. Restaurant after restaurant turned him down. "We already have fried chicken. You're too old. No thanks." He slept in his car to save money. He lived off his own samples. 10 rejections, 50, 100, 500. Most people would have quit. He faced over 1,000. Finally, after 1,009 rejections, a restaurant owner in Utah said yes. The chicken was a hit. That's when yes changed everything. Soon, other restaurant owners wanted in. Within a few years, Kentucky Fried Chicken had hundreds of locations. At age 73, Sanders sold the KFC Corporation for $2 million, over $20 million today. But he didn't stop. He became the global brand ambassador, traveling constantly to ensure the quality was up to his standards. His face, his white suit, and his goatee became iconic. Today, KFC is a global empire, all because a 65-year-old man, broke and alone, refused to quit after 1,009 rejections. His story proves that it's never too late. Your age doesn't define you. Your past failures don't define you. So, if you feel like giving up, remember Colonel Sanders. Your breakthrough could be just one more try away. Thanks for watching.